Hello everyone, myself Aditya from MLS Academy of English. Hope you all are well and will get prosperity in your life. Today I am going to talk about a great prospect which is the best investment of life. Today I am going to talk about what is the best investment of life. According to the great philosophers and many peoples and the majority of the peoples say that means investing on our brain is the best investment of life. The investing on our brain is the best investment of life, we have learned that. So let us clear that with a great example of a greatest scientist. A great scientist is Stephen Hawking, who lived his life very gratefully. But unfortunately he was died on 3rd March 14, and we know from him that his whole body is paralyzed except his cheek muscle and his brain. And instead of those things, he wrote many books, and this is one of the great inspiring thing we can say that. And he accomplished many of the things only by his brain. So brain is very important part of our body, and it consumes 40% of our energy. So now I am going to give you 5 tips by which you can make your brain more productive, more energetic, and with great productivity. So first point is consume healthy food. If you want a clarity in your thinking, if you want to clarity in your thoughts, it must you consume healthy food, because the food you consume affect the clarity of your thinking. If you want a clear life, it must you need and consume some healthy meals. And the second was let your brain work. What does it means? It means we are all in our comfort zone and we never let our brain to work. We all never give some tasks to our brain, and that is why our brain never give us something. So let me clear this with example. If I want to earn $5 in a day, I can ask my brain that how I can earn this, and my brain will give me answer and I will earn. And this is same with everything. If we ask our brain give us answer, and we get a good productivity in our brain, and our brain will do the things, complete the task easily and fastly. The more task you give to your brain, the more output will you get from it. And the third point is reading. So on the reading, I think that it is very apart from talking about the things of intellectuality. It is all spirituality, but the reading is about the knowledge, because the knowledge is the foundation of your brain. The more knowledge you have, the more successful you are. So reading help us to gain the things. So by saying this, a great quote come in my mind is, the more you read, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more you implement, and the more you implement, the more you achieve. So it is a best way to achieve something is to read, learn, then implement, and you will definitely achieve something which you want. It is also a kind of law of attraction when you have knowledge of something. And the fourth one is meditation. Meditation will give you a concentration and a good focus in your life. When I was few years ago, I am not very focusable in the things, and I got less percentage in my examination. And someone suggests me to do the meditation, which gives me a good concentration, a good focus. Then I try to do those things which give me concentration, means to meditate. I meditate daily for just 3 months, and I will see the results. My things are more concentrable, and I'm more focusable about the things. And the fifth, and this is the last but not least, peace. What is the peaceful? Peace is something, it is like the source of ideas. If you want great ideas in your life, it must that you are living in peace. Somewhere you have some noiseful environment, but accept from it when you go rooftop or somewhere when you feel and where you feel peace. So there you have some great ideas. Let me give you a short challenge. Recall the memory when a great idea come to your mind. I will answer that you was definitely in peace, because the peace is the source of great ideas. So be in peace. So let me give you a short summary of my topic. In first part we have discussed what is the best investment of life, and in second part we have discussed that how to keep our brain healthy, and where we have learned 5 points. First tip is consume healthy food, second is let your brain work, third is means reading, and fourth is meditation, and fifth is peace. So thanks for listening this. I hope you understand my words. Thanks.